everyone, welcome back to my channel.
And big news to you guys, if you guys are watching this video right now, that means I'm on my way to have this baby.
Woohoo! So I am making this video, editing it, keeping it ready, and the hospital bag that we will be packing in this video is on the go. Right now I am 37 weeks. I have entered my 37 weeks, and it is said that as you enter your 37 weeks, it is a good idea to get ready and pack your hospital bag, because you never know when you might get the call and you might have to rush to the hospital. So this video is all about what I'm going to pack in my hospital bag. This is my hospital bag. It's a small American Tourister bag with wheels, so that it is easy for my husband Rahul to carry the bag as he carries me as well. So let's start. The things that are required for the mother, that is me. In the hospital they've told that they're providing everything for the mother, but for the baby it is optional if you guys want to use the baby products from there. But I will be taking my own baby products, so I won't be taking much for myself. I'll just be taking the essentials that are required. Okay, I'll be taking 2 maternity bras. I think one is enough, but I'm just taking one for being sure, one more extra. So the bras, maternity bras, as you know, it opens up like this. It's easy for the feeding. This one is from M&S, Marks and Spencer, and this one is from H&M. So check maternity bras. I'll be also putting my underwears. Then the most important thing is the maternity pads, because as soon as the delivery is done, our periods start, so we require a good maternity pad for the heavy flow. So I'll open and show you guys the one which I have ordered. I've ordered this from First Cry. I'll put the link in the description, and you can see the product here. So I'll show you how these look. These are essentially like adult diapers which have an inbuilt underwear and then the maternity pad. So I really found this good, which would be very comfortable for me to use, and it won't slip, and will have, just use it and throw. So that is why I have ordered these. These are from Tina from First Cry, and the size that I am using is L. I won't be taking the whole pack. I'll be taking few of those. Then I'll be keeping baby hug breast pads. This is the item, and I'll be just keeping 4 of those, not more. Okay, the next item for me is a maternity gown. They will be providing me a gown there, but I'm just taking one for my own. And then I'll be keeping my essentials like face wash, rubber band, because you don't want all this hair in your face when you're in the labor. And right now we are going through the COVID, so I will be keeping hand sanitizer and Dettol as well. So let's move on to the baby essentials that I'll be keeping. This is the first pair of clothes that the baby has to wear when it comes out, regardless if it is a boy or a girl, because according to my mom and everyone else in the family, the baby has to wear old clothes. So these are the clothes of my sister's daughter, who's just turned 2 years. So this is her newborn clothes. So the baby will be going in this first, whether a girl or a boy. Sorry. And then I'm keeping 2 pairs of pajamas, and 2 pairs of shirts, full sleeves for the baby, which has buttons. And I'll keep 1 jumper to bring the baby home in. It has the socks and everything. It's so cute. So we'll bring the baby home in this blue jumper. Then we have cap, because as you know, the baby is supposed to keep, we are supposed to keep the baby warm. So this is a cap. We've got mittens and we've got socks. So a pair of these. I'll be keeping hankies. I'm keeping 3 hankies to wipe the baby Then this is a muslin, soft, very soft muslin cotton swaddle cloth. I don't remember from where I bought it. I bought it online, but the link will be there in the description. So this is to swaddle the baby in. This blanket, which we'll be using again to swaddle the baby, as well as we can use it to cover the baby while it's sleeping. This is another blanket slash swaddle cloth. Then we have cotton nappies, because obviously we are not going to keep the baby in the diaper all the time. So this is a newborn size, baby hug newborn size, Pampers, new baby newborn diaper, which is a normal diaper, which is not a pant style diaper. So this is up to 5 kgs. So this is the one which we'll be using, for example, in the night when we have to sleep. So we'll probably put the baby in the diaper. Let's keep an extra 6, but I think this is more than enough because we won't be keeping it in diaper for too long. Keeping baby wipes for the baby to wipe the bum, wipe the face if required. Then I have bought this Himalayan powder for the baby, but I won't be taking the whole bottle. I have bought this powder puff from Mimi, which I've already filled with the powder. So we'll just take it and powder the tush when we're doing a diaper change. Like that as well. Then we are going to pack a towel, which has to be very soft. Remember that, because the baby has a soft skin as soon as it's born. So a soft cotton towel for the baby. This one is from Mimi, and then this is a sheet. This one also is from Mimi. So this sheet is really good because unlike other sheets, which has plastic on both sides, this is like plastic which protects the bed from this side, and then it is soft from here, which is very good for the baby. It won't feel uncomfortable. So this is the sheet, and yes, this is my breastfeeding pillow, which I will be taking because we'll have to breastfeed. So this is also going to be packed, but this will go like this only. We have a handle in this, so we won't put it inside the suitcase. Then this is a cream by Sebamed that I've taken for the baby. I'm not sure if this is required, but just to be ready. This is like, you can use it on the face, you can use it on the body. It is said that it can be used from the very first day. So that is it. Then the next thing that I'm going to put is distractions, entertainment. Yes, charger, please don't forget mobile charger. Headphones, do pack whatever you feel will give you comfort. Maybe it is Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth headphones, maybe some massage oils or anything. And I will also be taking my pillow. This pillow has been with me throughout the pregnancy. It is very comfortable, for me to sleep in. I normally put my leg on it. Even it helps for my back. So this pillow is going to go with me to the hospital as well. Also adding a dress for myself, which I'll be wearing when I am coming back from the hospital. So that is also there. To add 2 things, that are snacks and a towel for yourself. And last but not the least, and a very important thing, is to pack your documents. Prepare a file and keep everything ready, from your medical documents to your insurance documents, and do pack those. That's it. That are all the items here. I will also be packing a pair of clothes for my husband and his essentials, but that is on later time. And oh yes, one more thing, do keep a sleeper, and a good sleeper which does not slip. that's it. We are done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the next update you get after this video will probably be when we have our baby in this world. uh, I need all you guys support. Do pray for me that everything goes well, and see you soon guys. Bye.